Welcome to BFDI Invt Urdu BFD Inverter P2. Parameter setting. Hello dear friends. In today's video, we will learn how to properly set the P2 parameter in a BFD inverter. This guide is especially for beginners who want to set motor data themselves. Let's get started. First, know the BFD buttons. Program button. This button starts the programming mode. Data button. This button saves the value you set. Job button. Used to run the motor slightly in manual mode. Shift button. Helps to shift and change digits. Start button. Starts the motor. Stop button. Stops the motor. Now, let's start programming. First, press the program button. Use the buttons to scroll and bring P2 on the screen. Once you see P2, press the data button to enter. Inside P2 settings. P2 suffer. Press the data button. This shows the model type. If it's 1, it's P model. If it's 0, it's G model. Press data again to confirm. P2 suffer 1. This is the motor power in kilowatts. For example, if your motor is 10 HP, enter 7.5 kilowatt. Press data to save. P2 suffer 2. This is the motor frequency. Normally, set it to 50 Hz. Press data to confirm. P2 suffer 3. This shows the motor RPM. For example, if your motor is 2850 RPM or 144 RPM, enter accordingly. Press data to save. P2 suffer 4. This is the motor voltage. Most motors run on 380 volts. Some motors use up to 415 volts. Enter the correct voltage and press data. P2 suffer 5. This is the motor current amps. Check your motor nameplate and enter the right value. Press data to save. P2 setting complete. That's it. You have successfully set the P2 parameter on your BFD inverter. Now your motor will run more efficiently with proper settings. Dear friends, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.